Hi, my name is Aarti.
Hello, my name is Rahul.
Hi, I'm Tapan.
And we are both broken.
And we are boldly broken.
And we are Boldly Broken.
Hi guys, welcome again to Boldly Broken, to our next episode of Boldly Broken. First episode it was me जिसने बहुत बातें की थी, बहुत कुछ बताया था about MS. Now we have another guest with us जो हमें और बताएंगे उनकी जर्नी के बारे में कि what is MS for her. Her name is Kusum. She's here with us. Hi Kusum.
Hello everyone. Hi.
So Kusum, please, can you please tell us something about your MS journey?
Hello everyone. I'm Kusum Giri. I'm born and brought up in Pune itself, but my MS journey starts somewhere in 2006 when I was in 11th standard. One afternoon I was just sleeping. I got up and suddenly one vision, left eye vision was blurred. It was completely blurred. So I told this to my parents that I can't see with my left eye. So they did not know what it was. So we immediately went to ophthalmologist. He said, this is optic neuritis. It happens 1 in 100 people. Not very sure about it. He put me on a 5-day steroid. After the steroid, is the vision clear? No, the vision was still not clear. I can still see blur with the left eye. It's not 100% clear. I'm operating more on the right eye. But way back in 2006, it was not known that I have MS. Then comes I was walking issue in the sense, if you ask me to walk straight, my leg used to go zigzag. So there we contacted another neurologist. He said get a MRI done. He did lot of tests and there he concluded it's MS there. So you can say from 2006 to 2017 I didn't have much. I had walking issues in the sense fatigue, too much of fatigue. If at all, I used to walk some steps, you can say 10-20 steps. I had to take rest after that because severe fatigue I had way back then. Then it came to me going to office. My you can say whenever I was to join a company, my very first question was, are there steps to enter that company? Because climbing steps was next to impossible for me way back. And then I started using a stick. After a stick, I came on a walker. After on a walker, now you can say I took 4 doses of. I'm done with all course of. You can say I'm done with 4 doses. But what it has done for me is it has made me very weak in the sense if I am very prone to having allergies, infections. So you can say last 2-3 months I was down with 2 different infections which brought severe weakness in me. So walking is a challenge altogether as of now. But yes, I can say that things have not worked as I was expecting them to work. Everything tried and tested. No stones are unturned from my end. Everything I tried, but things have not worked the way it should be. Yeah.
Okay, Kusum. So I'll say it's a familiar kind of thing, I guess, which everyone is experiencing with MS. Even I am a MS patient.
Yeah.
I've also experienced similar kind of things, but not exactly the same, but mostly the same thing. So I would like to ask you that how long it took for you to accept that you have MS, and how did it? Was it a problem for you to even say it like it is multiple sclerosis? That pronunciation.
Pronunciation
a problem. It was a problem for me, so I want to ask.
For me, pronunciation was not issue, but the you can say major when I realized when I was to accept this disease I have, that was when walking was a challenge for me. In the sense, if at all at this age, if I am not switching companies, if I sit at home doing nothing, that was something I couldn't accept. I said, nahi, main karungi, whatever it is, walker raho. When it comes to going to companies, I was in a company which had a huge campus, and from the gate till the building, there was, you can say, huge steps to walk. Okay. And the second option they had is riding cycle. Nothing of that sort was possible for me. So in that company, I used to avail their ambulance and golf cart facility. where they used to come and pick me from the gate and drop me till the building. So yes, there I did feel that okay, from normal people I am a bit different. I am restricted to walking that distance. I'm restricted from riding the cycle. Other friends of mine used to take cycle, go ahead cycling. I could not do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
कुसुम, आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि आपने एमएस के बारे में बताया कि आपको कब शुरू हुआ, क्या ऑल चैलेंजेस थे एंड एवरीथिंग. आई वुड लाइक टू नो दैट हाउ योर लाइफ वेंट ऑन एंड बेसिकली मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि एमएस तो ठीक है, हो गया, दैट इज ऑल ओके, ठीक है, बट उसके पहले आपकी लाइफ कैसी थी? आप कैसे, क्या एंजॉय कर रहे थे, क्या आपकी हॉबीज थी एंड ऑल, एंड व्हाट ऑल चेंज आफ्टर यू गॉट एमएस?
Okay, with that said, I'll have to go back, back calendar. I was a person who was never at home. I was either out, I had a Activa. So on that Activa, I used to roam the complete, you can say, city, complete Pune, every hitch and corner, किस outlet जगह पे क्या अच्छा खाना मिलता है, क्या famous है. I was a person of that kind, I used to be with my friends. I used to go visit all famous outlets here in Pune. I mean, you name it, name a dish and I'll tell you where famous you can go and you can have it. So I was a person, not being at home, morely being with my friends and, just hanging around. But with MS, I am in this 4 walls now. I don't go out anywhere. I'm at home always.
So, can you tell something about your hobbies? You must be having some hobbies before and now too.
Yeah, if you say hobbies, I'll tell you about the present hobby. I mean, just taking my limitation in, you can say, I have started playing more of mobile games. Okay, that is because I know कि कुसुम इतना ही हो पाएगा अभी, nothing more than this is possible for you. So I am more of a gaming person now.
But don't you think, because you already told us कि आपको optic neuritis से this all started, so don't you think you should avoid the screen time little? And
Screen time, see, my office, I'm on laptop most of the time. So you can say Saturdays, Sundays is something, I play more games on my mobile. Saturday, Sunday, I don't have laptop, so I have my mobile. And working days, if a laptop is there with me, I don't take mobile in hand.
Okay.
So yeah.
At the end, मतलब the screen time वो eventually आपका increase हो रहा है, being it laptop or your mobile. So
it's more of spectacles are for that reason. I have got this
that
spectacles.
is a barrier in between कि mobile screen को मैं directly नहीं देख रही हूँ, मेरे specs आगे मुझे
I have taken this special glasses. What is that glass? What do you call it? Anti-glare glasses. Yeah.
So that is our protection shield.
So that's a protection shield. It does not, the lights of the screen does not hit the retina directly.
Okay.
Yeah. So that, I mean, it's that type of glasses I have put.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what if I talk? I would like to know what keeps you motivated.
What keeps me
Don't
motivated?
tell me these games.
Not the games. For, you can say, motivation, I can say, okay, small targets if I just have in a day. That okay, if I get up, everything should be like normal people. If it happens, I feel motivated that specific day. But like it comes to, me eating something, getting digested on time, everything going on time. So that is something, if it goes good on a day, I would want that thing to be repeated. So it motivates me that okay, कल का दिन अच्छा गया, everything was proper, I ate my everything, all the normal routine human cycle का जो चलता होता है, अगर वो चला तो I feel good.
Okay.
That motivates me, yeah.
Okay. कुसुम, tell me one thing कि जैसे for say आप कहीं बाहर निकलते हो, वॉक पे कहीं जाते हो और something, and कोई new person आपके सामने आता है, for say maybe not a very young kid, but a person maybe of your age when you hit this MS thing, 14-15 years of age or something, that sort of person, or a guy or a person who is not aware about what is this MS, ये क्या हुआ है, इनको क्या, तो आप उनको क्या बताते हैं कि आपको exactly क्या हुआ है?
Yeah, so for a layman to understand MS, the best thing is to tell them it's a neurological issue. So when you say neurological issue, there are many issues which restricts people from walking. So they can relate it there. So I am telling people more of you can neurological issue है मेरा. So they related, okay, because neurological issue hai, she is having problem walking.
Okay, so this is it. I mean, this is the best.
Make it short and sweet, because अगर आप उनको multiple sclerosis बताओगे, they will understand nothing out of it. So make it simple. It's a neurological issue. Yeah.
That is the best
Yeah.
thing, I guess. That is the
Yeah.
best thing.
Yeah.
कि sclerosis बोलने में ही हमको नहीं पता कि सामने वाला बोलेगा कैसे और कब बोलेगा exactly.
और ये word, I mean, the name is a hyphen word. It's not something very common for a person.
Very unusual over here in India. I should
Yeah,
say.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
We
it's
are very simple people over here. तो इसके
Correct,
लिए
correct,
इंडिया में ऐसा कुछ होना और बोलना, it is multiple sclerosis. The person must be thinking कि क्या भाई ये क्या हो गया?
exactly,
विदेशी
exactly.
दूर की बड़ी बीमारी होगी.
कोई
कुछ
तो
हो गया.
बहुत डेंजरस बीमारी है
Correct,
भाई,
correct.
ये ज्यादा दिन नहीं जीने वाली है टाइप्स का. So rather it's a neurological issue which restricts me from walking. Walking is my issue बस.
तो क्या किसी डॉक्टर ने या किसी पर्सन से आपने कभी ये सुना कि बिकॉज यू हैव MS तो आपकी जो लाइफ स्पैन है वो कुछ अफेक्ट होने वाला है कि आप कम जीने वाले हो, ज्यादा जीने वाले हो, एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ दैट थिंग हैव यू एनकाउंटर्ड?
Google
द वर्स्ट
has given me this clue, but let me not talk about it because it will unnecessarily get tension in the people watching it. But yes, Google says that the lifespan of a MSP person is less compared to a normal person, somewhere like 5-10 years.
इट्स ओके.
Don't take it literally. I mean that this is Google knowledge. I mean I'm not sure about it.
ठीक है, अगर हमको 100 साल जीना है तो 10 साल कम हम 90 में
90 में चले
जाएंगे. इट्स ओके, दैट इज ओके, एक्सेप्टेबल है उतना.
करेक्ट, उतना चल जाएगा, हम लोग डिस्काउंट देते हैं.
बट
ठीक है?
अगेन टू बी ऑनेस्ट, जब मुझे भी MS हुआ था, आई वाज जस्ट गूगलिंग द थिंग्स क्योंकि आई वाज नॉट अवेयर व्हाट इज दिस MS थिंग, व्हाट इज दिस हैबिट. तो एट द एंड हमको गूगल ही समझ में आता है. बट
Correct.
that has hit my mind badly, and this I want to say it here to you everyone कि हम गूगल करते हैं for our knowledge, for us to get to know the things what has happened, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, क्या ट्रीटमेंट करना है, इससे कैसे हम इस चीज से फ्री हो पाएंगे, क्या इसको हम कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. लेकिन एकदम ब्लाइंडली गूगल पे मत जाइए, ब्लाइंडली एकदम मत फॉलो करिए उस चीज को. सिर्फ जितना जरूरी है, जितना आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, सिर्फ उतना देखिए ना. बाकी के लिए डॉक्टर्स पे छोड़िए, डॉक्टर्स को देखने दीजिए, लेट देम टेक केयर ऑफ यू. So here in Kusum, I would like to know if you have tried the yoga and the meditations and all that I've been hearing from many people. That
Everything tried and tested, all done.
So have you tried that?
Yes.
So are you still doing it or have you stopped it?
I have stopped doing it. I'm doing more of physiotherapy now because of the stiffness.
Okay.
Yoga will not be possible because we have more of stiffness. Like normal people, we can't do all the asanas.
Yes.
Yeah, that's not possible.
I
Yeah.
agree. And what about the eating things, the eating habits and all? Are you following the same thing? Because everyone is fond of eating something. Something is everyone's
Yeah,
favorite.
yeah,
So
yeah.
may I know what is your favorite first?
I'm a big time foodie, you can say. But yes, I have cut down on my, you can say, junk food more. Initially, every second day I was ordering something for me, but I have cut down that. But if you say 3 years when I was under the Ayurveda medicine, I did not have anything, no non-veg,
Okay.
no dairy, no products. But now I'm having in a limited quantity, not much, but yes, I am having it.
I guess वो आपकी जो इच्छा होती है खाने पीने की, like you are saying you are a foodie and आप जंक फूड पहले बहुत खाते थे, which you have controlled it now.
Yeah.
तो basically अब थोड़ा बहुत खाते हो, थोड़ा सा टंग, that is
Yeah, I don't
happy.
मतलब मन को मार के नहीं रखती हूँ, मैं खा लेती हूँ
That is
बस
best
थोड़ा
actually.
बहुत. Yeah.
So herein I would like to know कि आपको MS हुआ, which is a difficult phase. I do know about it. But what about the family? How they मतलब when they accepted it that you have such problem and
Yeah.
what was their reaction?
Initially it was like relapse आता था, मैं जाके steroid लेती थी, I used to get back to normal. तो you can say my parents did not have this idea that one fine day ऐसा भी होगा कि walking will be absolutely getting very difficult for her. What they expected, अच्छा ठीक है, इसका एक relapse आता है, वो steroid लेती है, वो normal हो जाती है. But over a period of time, you can say steroids. I mean, once you're out of RRMS, you land to SPMS, where you don't get any relapse, but the disease is gradually working on your body. So I am you can say It's been 20 years with MS, so now I am a SPMS, no more RRMS. So in SPMS, yes, no relapse, but yes, the disease is progressing gradually.
Okay. And herein, okay, you told about the family that how they accepted it, that you have this problem and all. And finally, yes, they have accepted it and they are here with you to help you out.
Yeah.
What about your friends? Because you said you have worked in several organizations and outside somewhere. So you must be having good sort of friends. So उनने भी कुछ notice किया होगा? Maybe like you are saying some walking issue or something. So
Yeah.
have they noticed?
So
and said,
they noticed it, but I refrain from explaining them what multiple sclerosis is. So I tend to tell them, okay, I had met with an accident and this and that sort, and then I have walking difficulty. So they take it that way. So I'm not more, because explaining them this neurological condition was a separate challenge altogether. So I mean, most of them know she had met with some accident, she's unable to walk, she has walking difficulty. This is all they know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So can I say here that finally you have accepted that you have MS and you are living life with it. So
It's been 20 years. I'm the oldest MSP in the group, I feel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have Kusum with us who have MS from 20 years, and yes, she has accepted it that she have this problem and she is living life. This is what we want, to accept whatever problem we have and to live life. Because हमको नहीं पता कल हो ना हो, आज जी लेते हैं. So that is what she is doing it, and we are really proud of her. Proud of you, Kusum.
Yes, thanks a lot. Thank you. Yeah.
दिस इज कुसुम विद अस. हमने उनसे बात करी, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा कुछ थोड़ी देर बात करके, कुछ सवाल पूछ के. बट हियर इन गाइस, आई जस्ट वांट टू से लास्टली वन थिंग कि अगर आपको कुछ इतनी सी भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कुछ पैरों पे कुछ हल्का सा झंझनाहट हो या कुछ भी डिफरेंट फील हो ना, a simple suggestion to you guys कि प्लीज डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करिए. डोंट लेट इट इंक्रीज एंड मेक यू टू कम टू अ पॉइंट और अ स्टेज जहाँ पे आपको वॉकिंग डिफिकल्टीज हो या ये डिफिकल्टीज और प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ती जाएं, क्योंकि ग्रेजुअली ये बढ़ती है, which is being said by Kusum as well over here. तो फिर 20 years दिए उन्हें इस चीज़ को. अगर हमको बोला जाए तो टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो, आई डोंट हैव नॉलेज अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. जब तक नॉलेज हुआ तब तक इट वॉज लेट फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस, आई कैन से. तो इट्स बेटर कि जब भी आपको कुछ थोड़ा सा भी पता चले, प्लीज कंसल्ट अ गुड डॉक्टर, अ न्यूरो बेसिकली, एंड गेट इट ट्रीटेड. स्टार्ट द ट्रीटमेंट देयर इटसेल्फ. ऑन योगा मेडिटेशन, डेफिनेटली यू शुड ट्राई दैट कैन इवन हेल्प यू गाइस. सो दिस इज इट. I'm here with Kusum at her place and I'm loving it here to talk to her. Now we are friends, I can say that we are friends. So it was really nice talking to you, Kusum.
Yeah, thanks.
And
Nice
thanks
talking
for
to you.
giving me so much time.
Yeah, thank you.
Great talking to you.
Thank you, Boldly Broken.
Thank you, Kusum.
Yeah.
So we'll come back again with our next episode with a new guest and let's see who's the next person. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.